Hey friends, today I want to share a book with you that I've been loving, and I use this to work on inferencing skills. It's called What is Inside This Box, and it's a Monkey and Cake book. What's happening is Monkey is talking about a box that he has, and that there is something inside of that box, a cat, but it's only there when you don't open the box. As soon as you open up the box, the cat is gone. It disappears. And this really is kind of bothering his friend Cake, who isn't sure he's buying into that. And I love the idea of having an animal and a food being friends. I think that's certainly unusual. I have a lot of students that are a little thrown by the fact that Cake's going to be a character. And I think that's great for them to have a little bit more flexible thought. They're going through the book, still deciding what could really be in there. And Cake finally decides, you know what, I think there's a dinosaur in there. Monkey still thinks it's a cat. So they decide that they're going to agree to disagree, because with this being kind of a magical box, it's not something that they're ever going to find out for sure. So this is the book. My kids love this. And then what I do for an activity at the end is I just get a large piece of brown construction paper, and we fold the middle in so that it kind of looks like that brown paper box that they were using. And then we will come up with maybe a couple clues of what's going to be inside this box. And then when we open up the box, we're going to draw a picture of what we've done the clues for. Now, I obviously printed this out and put it in because I thought it might show up a little bit better. But usually I'll have the kids draw their picture here, and then when it's closed up, they're going to have some clues on the outside. And then if the kids want to do this at home and bring it in, it's a great opportunity to try to guess what could be inside of there. Or they can bring this back to their classroom or back home and see if a parent or a teacher can guess.